Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation bar you've got set, or mode you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then simply tap on the button with the square icon, and thanks to this you will be just transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom of your device to the center and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So if you want to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then just go to the very left of the list and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just immediately and automatically got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your MOTOROLA Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.